Hey, do you want to learn how to add pages, subpages, and links in Google Sites? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. It's going to be a step-by-step guide, so let's get to it. Now, first of all, you need to go over to sites.google.com, and then on it, you need to create a new site, or if you have it already, you can go down here, recent sites, and click on it. Then inside it, let's say we want to add more pages, we can go over here on the right hand side, then press on the pages. You'll find all your pages here. And if you want to add a new page, just hover on this plus button, and then it's just going to show you this new page on the left here. That means you can just press on it and add a new page. You can also add a new link, full page embed, or new menu navigation. So let's press on this new page here, and then we can name it something. For example, I can say contact us, and then I can press on this done button, and that's it. We have added it here, the contact us page, and you can see on the menu bar as well, contact us menu navigation is added over here. Now, what if you want to make this contact us as a sub page for stories and updates? For that, you need to click and drag it. You either will find this line, blue line, or if you hover on one of these pages, these page sections, you're going to find it gets highlighted. The whole section gets highlighted. So that's what you need to do. So it's either this or this. You just need to hover on one of these pages like stories and updates and let go of your mouse click. And that's it. It gets added as a sub page. Now you can click on these three dots right next to it, and then you can make it a home page, duplicate page. You can also change the name of this page by going over properties and changing the name here like this, then press on done, and it gets auto changed in our menu right here as well. If you want to make a sub page right here, I can click on these three dots on the parent menu right here, press on these three dots, and then you'll find add sub page in the drop down. Click on it, and then you can name this sub page like this, press on done, and that's it. Now, if you're wondering what was that blue line, so that is if you want to reorder the pages. So for example, let's say I want to move this parenting blog sub page up here. I can do that. I just need to drag it over here, and it's going to show you this blue line. Just let go of your mouse click, and that's it. It gets reordered. And that's how you can like reorder pages and such, like this, reorder the page. And if you want to make it a sub page, just drag it over to the main parent menu section, and that's it. It gets added in. Now, if you want to add a new link, you can do that from here. Just go over here, add a new link. Let's say you want people to redirect over to another website. You can do that from here. Like I can say my new site, and then I can give it a link to one of my pages on this Google Sites, or I can put a link to my own website right here, or you can put a link to any website on the internet. Just press on done, and that's it. It says my new site right here. And if I hover on this, it gives me this menu right here, my new site. And whenever someone clicks on this, my new site, it's going to redirect them over to the link that we entered in, like over here, redirect notice. And that's it, gets redirected. And just like this, you can also insert link on one of your images. Like you can go here and insert, add a content block, and then I can select image like this, insert it. And if I want to make this a clickable image, I can just go over here on top, insert link, give a link to one of these pages on the website, or again, give a link like this, any link, and then press on apply. So whenever someone clicks on this image, it's going to redirect them over to that website that you entered in. And yeah, let's publish it right here, publish this. And then if we view the published website, we go over here, we can click on this image, and then it's going to redirect to that page. And you can see we have got these sub pages here, my new site. I can click on that, and it works. And yeah, that's it. That's how to add pages, sub pages, and links in Google Sites. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Google Sites related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.